So we're at a warung called Pandaloka, and it's right at the roundabout. This is a roundabout. Jalan Tuka Orma goes straight through into Denpasar. So anyway, we're going to go and try it out. It's like Chinese food. Come in for a drink, stay for a meal. Go in and check it out. All right. It's nice in here. All right. Oh, it's big. They got an air conditioning room. A lot bigger than what I thought. They've got upstairs, but shed is not open at the moment. And more down the back, another area out the back as well. And they've even got seafood here too. Look at this. Looks all right. Got some cod. Some tilapia by the look of it. Yeah, got some cod. Cod ain't too bad eating. All right. I think there's a freshwater, there's a saltwater. And got some mud crabs and some live prawns. Look at that. Bunch of live prawns. And this is the kitchen out the back. All right, big kitchen. It's a big place actually. Hot pot corner. All right, so you can get hot pots in there. And yeah, it's really big. We thought it was only this little front section, but yeah, it's really big. Yeah, they got hot pots as well.
Yeah, hot pot. You can pick.
All right, so this is another hot pot place as well, where you can sort of pick what you want, and they'll give you the pot and you just boil it up and get what you want. All right.
Pay by the color.
Well, you pay by different colours at different prices.
And this one, the pot, mala pot, you can share.
Oh, this is the meat, yeah.
Yeah,
I think it's seafood too, got prawns, fish. All right, good stuff.
Minimum 7 plate.
So there's actually 2 kitchens, one in the back, and there's another big kitchen out here as well. So yeah, it's way big, this place, yeah. All right, so it looks like they might have like hind and chicken and stuff like that as well, and duck. All right, so yeah, satu ekor, if it's like ekor for chicken, crabs, things like that, means 1 piece. So 1 mud crab's 200,000, 2 is 359, 3 crabs is 500,000. So they got mud crabs. They're not real big ones. I looked at them down the back, but yeah, they got plates of prawns, all sorts of seafood here. So I might just get some like fried prawns or something, maybe sweet and sour prawns, or just cabai garam or something like that. They got clams. So there's a lot of seafood here, which is good. Sort of what I want. They got fish soups. They got also spicy malas and Szechuans. The hot pots, Chinese, just straight Chinese food. All right, so you can get like beef and onions, you know, all sorts of stuff. Chicken, beef. I haven't seen any pork here, it's a wonder. You get whole chickens, or you can get like hind and chicken, which is good too. All right, duck, cold dishes. Vegetables, different types of vegetables. Yeah, all right, so it's a pretty full-on menu, too big to go through. All right, so I'm just might get some prawns. They got sotong cabai garam, and sotong is the name for, another name for squid. There's chumi chumi, or there's sotong. All right, got some cabai garam prawns. We got some dumplings, like soy mai type dumpling things, and Chinese fried rice. And that should be enough, more than enough. So, what do you think, darling? Yeah. All right, so this is the fried rice. What sort of rice is it? Yangzhou. I don't know. It looks very vegetable-y. Anyway, that's the fried rice. We'll see what else comes. That was quicker than what I thought. We've only been here a couple of minutes, so that's one good thing about Chinese food. It's cooked very quickly. It's mainly all cooked in a wok and very quickly. Like, we already ordered a few minutes ago and the fried rice is already here. So anyway, I might have a quick little try of that with a spoon. It looks very vegetable-y. There's a lot of egg through it, heaps of egg through it. And, oh, there is meat in it. Yeah. Quite nice, actually. What sort of meat's in this?
Everything. Sausage, chicken.
Oh, so there's chicken, prawn. Yeah, there's a bit of prawn. Sausage. Yeah.
Yes,
Actually, it's not too bad. These are little prawn dumplings we got. You got two lots of them. And this is the fried Tobago prawns, salted chili battered prawns. Wow, they look really good, these prawns. Okay, so I'm going to have a go to try to pick up one of these prawns with chopsticks because I'm friggin' hopeless at chopsticks, eh? If I can get it. Oh yeah, look at that, like a pro. They're good. Sort of a lot of batter around them, but not too bad. Very fresh tasting prawns, eh? Yeah, and they're peeled, which is good. Not too bad at all. And look at that, chopsticks. Got one of these little dumpling things. These are prawn apparently. Oh wow, they're really good. The pastry or whatever is really fresh and really good. Look, now I normally just stab it like that, make it look like I pick it up. Wow, those dumplings are exceptional. Try one of them, Dale. This fried rice is really good too. It's very different to nasi goreng. It's not too bad at all. Well, I can say the quality of the food here is excellent, really good. So yeah, and it's been here for years, this place, right on the corner of the roundabout. I've passed it a million times and never ever eaten here, so it might be my new favourite Chinese place, but we'll see when the bill comes.
Yeah, what you pay for.
Yeah, we'll see how expensive it is when the bill comes. Wow, I wouldn't mind trying some of the mud crab in here, or some of the fish. They've got live prawns as well. I think I'll be back to try a few different seafoody sort of stuff because they're definitely very fresh, you know. So Yuli stole all the radish, look at her. She thinks it's spaghetti.
No.
Well, I'm going to hook into a couple of more of these little soy mays. They're really good. The dumplings. Well, you got to be quick, Yuli, or they'll be gone. You'll have to order some more. Got these little things here. I didn't know Yuli ordered, but she did. And they're like, it's tofu skin. And they wrap it up like a little spring roll. And apparently these are chicken and prawn as well, so we'll try one of them. Right, so we're going to try some of these little tofu skin spring roll type things. It's cold in the middle, a little bit, yeah. It's sort of like mushy, like, I don't know, different. So we absolutely smashed a lot of that and quickly, it was so good. The only thing was the little tofu wraps are a little bit cold in the middle. They weren't cooked properly. Otherwise, it was really good, really, really good. So she's going to take it home and put it in the microwave. The last one.
Don't waste it.
Waste not, want not. All right. So we'll see what the bill is. So it's going to scamper. It was 360,000 or something like that. So it's probably about a bit over 30 bucks, 32 bucks or something. But well worth it. The quality was excellent, actually. Really, really good. So anyway, thank you.
Pandaloka.